Hey, what's up YouTube? Today I'm going to teach you guys how to make a Roblox ad. So as you can see, if you go to the side, they have like all these ads. It's really cool. So I'm going to teach you guys how to make an ad. First, you want to go to Google and you want to type in Pixlr, this right here. You want to go to the site, and then you want to do Start Design Project. Then you want to do Open Image, and then so before you go into that, what you want to do is, if let's say I want to advertise, let's say my place. There should be a create plus. There we go, advertise. 100 by 60. And then what you do, you right click and save image as. And when you do that, go here. And then you want to open image and then click on that, and it should take you to here. Alright, it should take you into here. So once you have your ad, I do skyscraper because it'll get more clicks. Then you can start editing it. I'm just going to do a nice custom design. I'll get back to you when I finish. Alright, so I finished. I did a before after, like let's say you were a noob and then you join in and now you're a really good player in this game. And this is going to be for USAF. So I'm a big fan of USAF. So what you want to do now is you want to click save, and then you want to do save as, and then put it into a folder. So then once you do that, you want to go to here, create, boom, advertise. So you want to drop that ad into here. I'm going to do that real fast. Once you drop it in, name it. I'm going to do a lottery group because I've already done this for my lottery group. Before, after joining, you become rich, lottery group. And then make it sure all you have to do, click upload, and then wait a couple days, and Roblox checks it, and then I think it becomes an ad. That's all you have to do, guys. It's really simple, really easy. Please like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Press the like button. Bye.